People of the state of Michigan versus Floyd, Beck, 2123803. Mr. Beck's appearing on the video, as is Ms. Yancey, his attorney, and Mr. Gabriel, the prosecutor. This has been noticed out for a plea. So Mr. Beck, please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Gabriel, what's the offer?
Your Honor, if Mr. Beck enters a plea of guilty to count 1, the possession of methamphetamine charge, we will dismiss the obstruction of justice count 2, as well as all supplemental informations or notices, which includes the drug double.
Thank you. Ms. Yancey, is that correct?
That is a correct statement of the plea offer, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Beck, the offer in the case is that you plead to a charge of possession of methamphetamine, a felony, punishable by up to 10 years in the Department of Corrections and or a fine of up to $15,000, and unless sentenced to more than 1 year in prison, the court shall impose license sanctions. The drug double would be dismissed, the obstruction of justice would be dismissed, and the habitual offender fourth offense notice would be dismissed. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you currently on probation or parole anywhere?
No, Your Honor.
So then how do you plead to the charge of possession of methamphetamine?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised anything other than what we've talked about in court today?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you?
No, sir.
You doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Yancey provided you your advice of rights form, advising you of the rights you're giving up by pleading guilty. Do you remember reading that?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand you're giving up each and every one of those rights described on that form if I accept your plea?
Yes, sir.
Can you sign that form? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. So it alleges that on or about January 12th, 2021, you were in White Pigeon, which is in the county of St. Joseph and the state of Michigan. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And that at that time, you did knowingly or intentionally possess methamphetamine. Did you have methamphetamine on you at the time?
Yes, sir.
Where was it?
In my collar, my jacket, in White Pigeon.
And you knew it to be methamphetamine?
Yes, sir.
Our counsel is satisfied that a factual basis has been established by the defendant's statement of facts.
People are, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you, the counsel, aware of any other promises, threats, or inducements?
We are not.
No, Your Honor.
Court comply with court rule.
I believe the court has, Your Honor.
You have, Your Honor.
Well, thank you. I find the plea made as accurate, understanding, voluntary. There's a factual basis. Therefore, I accept the plea. We'll set this for sentencing on July 2nd. Now, Mr. Beck, like I said, my office is going to send you that packet that you need to fill out and return as soon as possible. We're going to send it to that address Ms. Yancey gave us on those forms. And then the Department of Corrections will be contacting you to do an interview. Make sure you check your mail, check your phone, and prepare for the pre-sentence report and for sentencing on July 2nd. All right?
All righty, sir. Thank you very much.
If you have any questions, call Ms. Yancey, okay?
I sure will. You have a great day.
All right, good. All right, thank
Thank
you.
you, Mr. Beck.